2007 Ford Escape XLT, local trade-in, 140,000 miles. Looks wonderful, drives wonderful, needs nothing. Perfect cash car, perfect vehicle for student, in wonderful condition. As you can see, new tires and brakes, little tow package on the back, running boards, moonroof, great condition. There's the moonroof. Everything works on the vehicle. Be lucky to find a door ding in this thing. Fog lights. Power seat. Interior is like new. No rips or stains. CD changer. 140,000 miles. AC works perfect. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Fog lights. As you can see, alloy wheels, brand new tires. This 2007 Ford Escape XLT, 140,000 miles, local trade-in, perfect cash vehicle.